$70,000 a year sounds like a lot of money, right? So why do so many Americans making $70,000 still feel broke? Not kind of broke, like zero savings broke. Here's the real question. Where does the money actually go? Because in America, your paycheck can disappear fast. Meet Jake. He's 27 years old. He works a normal office job. He earns $70,000 a year. On paper, Jake looks successful. But every month, he feels stressed when he checks his bank app. First, taxes hit his paycheck. Federal taxes, Social Security, Medicare. That $70,000 suddenly feels much smaller. Then come the basics. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment, car payment and insurance, groceries, phone, internet. And then debt shows up, student loans, credit cards. The minimum payments look small, but together they drain everything. By the end of the month, Jake has almost nothing left. One surprise bill, and he's back in debt again. But the real problem isn't just the math, it's psychological. When Jake earns more, he spends more. Better car, nicer place, more takeout. This is lifestyle inflation. Social media makes it worse. Everyone online looks rich. So Jake spends to feel successful today. That quick good feeling, that's dopamine spending. So how does Jake fix this? Step 1, track every dollar for 1 week. Awareness first. Step 2, use a simple budget, needs before wants. Step 3, attack high-interest debt first. Pay more than the minimum. Step 4, build a small emergency fund. Even $500 helps. Step 5, start automatic index investing. Small, simple, consistent. Be honest. Which expense eats most of your paycheck every month? Rent, debt, car? Comment below.